Okay, here we have Kendall the plumber, and she's fixing Auntie Joan's sink because it's clogged. I don't know what she's getting or what she's doing. Something's under there. I think she's taking the pipe.
Yeah.
Just pretend, don't really poke anything in there. Are you going to measure something? What are those?
They're pliers.
Pliers?
Yep, they help me check if there's any leaks around or if I'm trying to work on something.
Just pretend you're doing it because you don't want to break the pipe. Just pretend because they're pointy. Don't put them too close to it. You got to be careful with those. Are pointy. Those are sharp. Now what are you looking for?
Hammer.
Wow, look at that hammer.
It has red on it so that I can hammer. This part helps the nails go in.
Oh.
Let's even do this slower.
Don't hit the pipe.
The valve.
No, don't do that.
I'm just doing it easy.
Pretend. Now what are you doing? You gonna measure something?
No.
No?
I'm getting this. These are called tweezers.
And what are those for?
Watch. They're for holding the pipe.
Oh.
Now this is a plunger. It plunges toilets and sinks. Watch. So every time you have a clogged sink or a clogged toilet, get the right plunger.
Okay. Well, I don't have to. I'll just call you.
And look it.
Uh-oh. What happened?
The plug got out by this plunger. I want to try that again. That was so funny. I think I can take it out again. It's so funny. Now I can see
It comes out easy, so if there's hair or something stuck in there, you can wipe it.
Now I got that out.
Now what are you going to do?
I'm going to figure out if there's something stuck in the sink. Let's move all the stuff out of the way and get the stool out here. Alright, I don't need to do this anymore. I'm just going to check if there's any stuff stuck in the sink. Alright, so here's the plan. I don't see anything.
No?
Looks like the sewer just backed up.
Uh-oh.